Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is kicking and breathing. Bitcoin is like we will check on that. We will see the whole market. Let's see what is happening, what is not. We have some interesting news. Tonga will adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender. I'm gonna show you where Tonga is. It's very interesting. And I brought you another project which is before the IDO phase, and I'm gonna give you an option, not an option, maybe I will just show you how you can also participate, or at least give yourself a chance to participate. So stay with me and obviously subscribe and smash the like button if you like the content, because yeah, you help me a lot, and otherwise it doesn't really make sense for me to make these videos because I could trade by myself, to be honest. So let's see. We are at the Bitcoin price chart and we are at the 43,000. We were at the 42. I bought some Bitcoin on 42. To be honest, I think we will go up. Maybe we will touch the 39,000 again. I don't know, but so far I think we are still in the bull market. The reason is that I don't see the big sells. That's what I always say. We don't see the big sell executions. We don't see the Bitcoin being dumped on the exchanges. On the contrary, we see some Bitcoin leaving the market, leaving the exchanges, and that is obviously a good sign. Now, whether we will go up or down, we don't know yet, but we still have to wait. We have to wait because the tapering is still not clear. We are still waiting. Let's see what the US government will say, how they will move forward, and that could put, let's say, a stamp on the actual direction. But that is the same for the S&P 500. As you can see, it is looking like it's making, I mean, it made a new all-time high and it can't really get back to there, and now we are creating this triangle, if you can call that, or a rising wedge, which is always a bearish sign. And if it goes down, if you break out from this rising wedge and it goes down hard, then I can assure you that Bitcoin will go down with it. So to be honest, at this point, I'm not sure whether I want it to go down or not, because I do want to buy a couple of stocks, also some Bitcoin on a much cheaper price, but I would like to see a small rally, maybe for a couple of weeks, just to take some more juicy profits, and then wait for everything to crash. That is my plan. That is what I would like to happen. Obviously, if everything will just go down for the next 3 months, I wouldn't mind that either. But if you would see a parabolic, and I will show you on the Bitcoin, if you would see a parabolic from here and then a big dump from there, I wouldn't mind that, because I would just take massive profits, and I am prepared for that. Hope you are as well. Also, if we are going down from here, I still have cash to buy the dip. So I'm prepared to enter a 2-3 year long bear market. So hope you are on the same page with me. Hope you didn't put any money in crypto which you need in the next couple of years, because that could be hurtful. Now let's see what is happening here. Tonga could adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, and they already passed the parliament decision, and they sent it to the palace office to submission to His Majesty of Royal Assent. Now, whatever that means, I didn't check them on Google, to be honest, but I was really curious where Tonga is, and I just searched for them on the internet. Now, if this is not Tonga, but I'm pretty positive it is, then as you can see, Tonga is this tiny island, 2 islands. I'm sure that if they adopt Bitcoin, then they will see some visitors from the Bitcoin community, and I hope that will push a bit their tourism, and it will make for them big incomes. Your Majesty King Tupo the Sixth, be blessed with many more years. It was somebody's birthday, probably. Okay, so let's go forward where we are with the rest of our favorite coins. Ethereum is trying hard, but Bitcoin is not letting it. It is stuck below the 200-day moving average. And I just wanted to add here that the dead cross kind of happened. Yeah, kind of happened. I don't see a turning back from here. As you can see, they are touching, and this will mean that the dead cross is here, and at previous dead cross we had a bigger slide down. Therefore, it is probable that we will go down to the 35, 38,000. I think if we go below the previous low, which was 29,000, then that is for Bitcoin bull market. Hope it's not gonna happen, but I think a 35,000 is still acceptable. For me, it is, at least. Now let's go forward. Elrond is at the 199. 200. Now I could see that the NFTs are going wild on the Elrond network, which is very good, obviously. I also got some, I think I have an undead something. I have an angry bear. It's a bear and it's angry. And I showed you that I bought 2 Krogan ships. I'm still a bit, it feels like wasted money, but it is what it is. Everyone needs to have some NFTs. If you don't have NFTs in these times, you probably don't even exist, I might say. So get yourself some NFTs, some cheap ones. Make sure that you buy some cheap ones. Don't throw out too much money on the window. Now let's go forward. What I got here, what I brought you, and what I want to talk about. This is a game which is going to be released on Firestarter, and the interesting part is that usually these type of games, well, let's just say, are unreachable for those who don't have $5, $10, $50,000 staked on one of the launchpads in their native token. Now on this launchpad on Firestarter, all you have to do is put 100 flame tokens, and one token right now is a bit below $1. So if you put $1 in Firestarter and you lock it there, then you already can get a light tier, which means that you can participate in the whitelisting lottery. Now it doesn't guarantee that you will enter the whitelisting, but at least gives you a chance. Otherwise, if you don't do that, you don't have a chance to participate in the IDO. Obviously, you can apply for all the projects, and maybe one of them you will be successful. Usually, if you participate in the IDO, you are set to success. I don't remember, probably there were, but I don't remember any bigger projects for which the listing price, or after the listing price, the price dropped lower than the IDO price. It's just, I don't think that would happen. So what you need to know about Elumia. Elumia is, it's kind of like World of Warcraft, and I will show you some interesting parts about this. As you can see, this will be a 3D game, not a 2D, and it's not comparable to Axie Infinity and those very, very beginner or beginning type of games. This will be something like World of Warcraft, and it is a play to earn. The IDO is coming up in the next couple of weeks or months. This game is mainly made for boys, I guess, because I will show you. Just watch here. You can just go by scrolling into the heart of the girl. So it's gonna be a metaverse, a PvP, and a PvE. And what is interesting is that you will buy, obviously, heroes, NFTs. You will play. Some heroes will have different qualities, and some people will be, or some heroes will be fighters, others will be gatherers, and there will be also pets. But it's not important for me. Obviously, you will be able to buy land and house. And even if you don't want to play, you can buy land and house, and then you can rent it out, sell it as NFT. It was a great success for other games as well. There will be 2 tokens, ELU and EKS. Illumina Crystals and Crowns. The Crown is a governance and staking token, so if you want to invest, you will buy ELU, and that will be on the IDO as well. And Illumina Crystals are the tokens which you will earn as a reward in the game. The Elumia Crown token holders will govern the game, and that is obviously a good thing. The tokenomics, go on their website and check it for yourself. Rewards from staking will be locked for 6 months, and there will be a 36-month linear vesting weekly. So they are very, very worried about the pump and dump. Therefore, if you want to get in, you have to stay with them for a longer time. I don't think that this is bad, and I hope that they will be successful because the team is pretty good. So as you can see, this is not like 2 or 3 people, gaming designers, and as you could see from the beginning, from this part, they are from a certain part of the world. Doesn't matter, obviously, I'm just joking around, but they are coming from very important games like Guild Wars 2, Final Fantasy, Star Citizen, and Dungeons and Dragons. This is very important because it seems or it says that they have a lot of experience, not only by creating a game and have good visual, but to have a good gameplay, to have good quests, and to make it very interesting. Because nowadays the problem is that with the play to earn games, that they are very, very at the beginning level, let's say, and they are usually 2D, and people get bored of them. I mean, if you want to compare an Axie Infinity with Call of Duty, yeah, even though Axie Infinity provides salary for some people in Vietnam, for example, so that's obviously a better game if we are talking about earnings. But if we talk about enjoying the game, obviously the not play to earn games like the Call of Duty, those are much better and much enjoyable. Now, if they successfully create a game which is a play to earn game and is as enjoyable as World of Warcraft, for example, then we will have a game with a very big potential under our nose, so we should pay very much attention to them. As for roadmap, as you can see, the IDO sale of the government's token is coming up. There will be liquidity on DEX, so listing obviously, in-game marketplace, private alpha access for ELU holders. So if you will hold the governance token, then you will have access to the private alpha game, and there will be an NFT sale, early access for the native token holders, which is obviously a big opportunity, because if you successfully put your hands on 1 or 2 heroes in the game, as people need them to play the game, yeah, it's pretty probable that you will be able to sell it for a much higher price. Now, if you want to watch it, go on the website, scroll down to roadmap, and you can read the roadmap. I wanted to highlight 2 other very important things. In Q3 2022, there will be the first public beta testing, and in Q1 2023, there will be the public game launch, and at the middle of 2023, next year, there will be esports challenges. Now that will be very interesting with a grand tournament. I'm sure that there will be a big prizes. So if you hold some of the native tokens and you get private access to the alpha and the beta and so on, maybe you can, if you are a gamer and you want to play it, you can prepare in time for the big tournaments. I don't really have time to play the game, but it seems interesting for me, and I will follow it. In the meantime, as a last thought, if you didn't join, you might want to join the Crypto Memories NFT. They are a new team. I know them personally. I mean, one of the founders, because I work with him, and there is this first sneak peek where they are going to create NFTs of crypto memories. For example, when Bitcoin reached $20,000. It seems a very interesting project. This is not a play to earn or a game or anything. This is the native or the basic digital art. Nevertheless, I really like the project. I joined the Discord server. If you want to do it, link in the description. Join and take a look around. See it for yourself. If you like it, it's gonna be on the Solana network. Therefore, the fees will be very low. Okay, this is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Tomorrow we will have a live chat and a live video just to talk about the QWAT, because I do have some not problems, but some reservations with QWAT, even though I got whitelisted. So I will just point out a couple of things which I don't like about the Elrond apes, for example, which is also very popular, but I also have some concerns. We will talk about the markets, about altcoins, and yeah, let's see where we are heading. Take care.